Aviation Boulevard. You can see there's some irrigation going in for eventual landscaping. Coming to this driveway area, you see this overhead hang, which I think it's been up for a little while, but I presume it'll be some signage just directing you where in particular you want to go. Maybe there's like a drop-off section, there's a bus section, there's pickup section. I don't know if you're gonna be able to park here, probably just temporarily while you're picking up your party maybe. This area of the walkway seems to be new. We now have this exposed, I don't know, about 3 foot kind of cinder block walling, which is a lot better than some of the fencing that blocks the views. And then this is over here by Station F, aka the ITF East. And you'll see it designated Station F here and there. There's a couple of F symbols over here by this escalator, and then up here in the top platform you'll see another indicator of this being Station F. Looks like there's just one little few panels left on this upper mesh. Maybe about 3 or 4. A few more exposed panels, Station F, up there on the ceiling area. And there's a elevator system here for a couple floors. I think a couple. And at the end here of the property, there's another elevator. And it looks like there's a nice little walkway platform area, and that's going to be edged out here by some glass paneling. Pretty nice touch, but stuff like that always makes me nervous. Just feel like it's gonna get broken eventually. Seems like everywhere I go, nice places, I've always seen a panel or two. You see like a little hairline fracture or a big old crack or something. Unless that's shatterproof, I don't see that being any different. It's really hard to see, but next door to Station F, it's gonna be one of the transportation hubs. They're just doing some dirt work right now. Looks like there's a water truck out there just soaking things out, and then they're going to start doing some grading, and then eventually mostly a lot of pavement, not very many structures. So this should develop pretty quickly, I would say. I don't think it'll be that complicated, but this fencing is super tall. I can't get any good shots of it. It's probably like 8 feet tall. Here's the very end of the property, and there is a second driveway, I guess. So there'll be more signs up here directing you where to go if you're a vehicle. This is over next to Walkway Park. You can see the stairway. It's still kind of in a rough state. Looks like they poured it, and maybe they have something protective over it while it cures. And I guess this property still runs all the way towards here somewhere. I hear some workers banging some stakes or something down in there. I don't know if they're going to be pouring some more forms for concrete, maybe some planters. I'm sure they're just going to finish that off with maybe like some landscaping, because it's a pretty narrow section. So this level has the glass panels installed, and it looks like this area is going to get it as well. You can see these stairway railings or glass panels here that are installed as well. Over here on the rental center, which I would say would probably be open later this year, but who knows. They still just have a little bit of landscaping, and looks like they're still working on some infrastructure in that the ceiling panels. But there's virtually no work going on over there when I walk by, so it's ready to go. It just needs cars to be filled. More of this eventual landscaping, irrigation, and then they have some trees here. I'm not sure what kind of trees these are, but hopefully they'll double or triple in size. Hopefully they'll be like maybe 15-20 feet tall, so they can provide a bit of shade for people that are walking through here. So this is a metro project. Pretty much all it LAX has to do with it is you can get off here and then transfer. I think you walk down some stairs or an elevator and then get to LA World Airport's property here. But this is a metro project which is close to about $1 billion, and it is scheduled for completion in later this year, just a few more months, November of 2024. So we'll keep an eye on that. Hopefully this will complete before the end of the year. There's a small little building here, has some glass windows. Not sure what that's going to be. Maybe some kind of a small little office area or something. There's some some poles installed here, so I guess that'll be some kind of lighting. There's another kind of rounded structure over here. Instead of glass, though, it looks like some kind of metal material or something. Alright, so this building, it's got kind of a mesh. Okay. And then over here is like the bus station area with these two different roofs or awnings. I'm not sure what they're calling it. So yeah, you can get here by bus, you can get here by train, car, bicycle. You can lock up your bicycle. So So here's a good shot of the bus depot area, whatever you want to call it. Still have a ways to go as far as putting down some hardscaping and pavement. Maybe they already have the yeah, they have the concrete driveway up. Yeah, this is developing pretty quickly. Just a few more months to go. More of these trees planted. I'm really hoping these things will grow up tall and provide a little bit of shade for people walking through here, especially later in the summer here in California. It starts to really get cooking. These super huge Hertz buses getting you to and from LAX to the rental facility. We'll be eliminating that out of the horseshoe, and then you'll just be taking your people mover car over to the con rack. Hopefully that's going to alleviate a lot of traffic, but Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.